In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online tutorial, creating purchase orders. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, accurate purchase order so your vendors know what you're buying and your records stay organized. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online account and you're on the main dashboard. To begin, look to the top left of your screen and click the New button. This opens the action menu where you create transactions. From here, choose Purchase Order. If you don't see that option, you may not have access or the feature might be turned off in your company settings, so check with your account admin. Once the purchase order form opens, you're ready to fill in the details. Start by selecting the vendor you're ordering from. QuickBooks will use the vendor profile to pre-fill known details, which helps reduce typos. Next, check the ship to or delivery address. Make sure it reflects where the goods should be delivered, whether that's your main office, a warehouse, or a specific project location. Confirm the purchase order date and review the PO number. QuickBooks usually assigns this automatically, which keeps your orders easy to track. If needed, include terms, an expected delivery date, and a reference number from your vendor. Now enter what you're buying. Use the item or product/service column to select the products or services you're ordering. Add a clear description, then set the quantity and rate. QuickBooks calculates the amount for you. If you're purchasing something that doesn't belong to a specific product list, you can use the category details to capture it at a high level. But sticking to items makes reporting and inventory tracking much more useful. Add a note in the message field if the vendor needs special instructions, like packaging requirements or delivery hours. If you have supporting documents, such as a quote, attach them so everything is stored together. Take a moment to review totals, tax settings if applicable, and that all fields look accurate. When you're happy with everything, click Save and Close. This records the purchase order and keeps it available for reference. Remember, a purchase order is a non-posting transaction in QuickBooks Online, so it won't impact your financials until you convert it later into a bill or expense. That's all there is to it. Click New, select Purchase Order, fill in the details, and save. Creating purchase orders this way keeps your buying process clear, speeds up communication with vendors, and helps you stay in control of costs and inventory.